มาโอเคโอเคโอเค The garden is very good memory for our family, so I very happy that I can do it. So please support me by subscribe. Thank you so much. I take my dad on the back seat, go to garden, and I have to bring my niece and my nephew go to help me, so he on the back seat. นี่สวนมาสวนมาสวนเร็วลงมาเร็วมาสวนมาสวนจำได้ไหมมาสวนเร็วจำได้ไหมนี่สวนได้ไหมฮะ Can you remember that? Can you remember garden? So he will remember or not? นี่ทานตะวันทานตะวันไปดูสิไปดูแบบทานตะวันนะไปดูน้ำนะไปดูแบบทานตะวันนะสวยสวยจน beautiful that สวยไหมสวยไหม our garden สวยไหมดูดอกไม้สิดูพ่อเห็นไหมพ่อนี่ดอกอะไรนี่พ่อดูดอกไม้สวยไหมมะปูสวยไหมสวยไหม So I take that to see the sunflower. Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today is a special day. I want to make the video that the first person that I want to see my successful is the sunflower is blooming. My dad he not come to the garden maybe 3 years already. Before he come to the garden every day he love the garden. He a gardener and farmer all his life, and he's about his age and healthy get down, so we cannot bring him to the garden anymore. So this is special day, and I want you to go see the video on the back that I make a record the video 3 years, almost 4 years already that a short video that I make to remember this garden. So go to watch it. Guys, I want to show you my garden. This is my dad. Outside is dad. He 90 years old. Every morning we come to feed our pigs. These are baby pigs. 3 left. We still have 3 left. They eat. We bought the food of them, but they're still young, so they need very good food. And this is our sow. We bought the vegetable that left from my sister restaurant with rice, and we put some vitamin for her. I think she pregnant 1 month already. No more pig left. I want to get rid of the pig because it's too much work for me. This is behind of our garden. This is the tree we call gooseberry. This is gooseberry. It's still no have fruit yet. This I just plant new coconut, and this the place exactly the same that I make the video with my dad. And I walk, and this is my garden. And I walk to the gooseberry tree, so it's big now. It's big gooseberry tree now. It's almost 4 years. And this one, the coconut tree. He excited. He wonder what is it. Okay, okay. Okay. Come with me, Dad. You see flower, Dad? Dad, you see flower blooming? Yeah, Dad, you see flower blooming. Beautiful. Okay, walk with me. สวยไหม สวยไหม โอ้สวยโอ้โอเคโอเคโอเคโอเคอ่ะโอ้thank you daddy อ่ะflower Thank you for keep watching until the end of video. You see, the time is fly very fast, so you have to happy in your life. Don't regret on the past. Happy each day. I hope you do enjoy video today. It's my memory, me and Dad. And give a thumb up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe if you are new here. I will be very impressive so much. And have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. See you the next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ